Well, hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you another easy breakfast recipe for you. Yes, today I'm going to be making pancakes but with a twist. So we're going to have fluffy, yummy and zesty pancakes. Enjoy the recipe. Alright, let's begin. So for this recipe guys, I'm going to use 1 cup of all-purpose flour. If you don't have all-purpose flour, you can use self-raising flour, but then you'll have to omit the baking powder. Okay, if you don't have that, you can use cake flour. So guys, the amount of flour you use really helps to determine the fluffiness of your pancake. Don't use too little and don't use too much. Then add about 2 tablespoons of baking powder just to help the pancakes to rise. Just use about 2 tablespoons. After that, put 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, depending on how sweet you want them. I don't like them too sweet, but this is just enough to get that nice, fluffy, light and tasty pancake. Mix it through with a fork so that all the ingredients mix through. If you want to add salt, you can add, but I add my salt later on. Make a well at the center of your dry ingredients, and then you crack 2 eggs at the center. I used only 2 eggs for this recipe and it achieves nice results. Just crack 2 eggs. Okay, then add about 2 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil. I use sunflower oil myself. I like the flavor of sunflower oil, and you can use melted butter if you want to. You can use the same amount, 2 tablespoons. You can use vegetable oil, whichever you prefer. Then you can add about a pinch of salt. This is where I add my salt, just a pinch of salt. Don't use too much salt, just to balance out the flavor. Then you add about a cup of milk. Guys, don't use too much. We don't want the butter to be runny and like we don't want to have like flat pancakes. We don't want to have like very thin pancakes. So just use about a cup. That will be enough. Use about a drop of vanilla essence. This is very strong, so use just a drop of vanilla essence. Then my secret ingredient, put orange zest. Just use 1 orange. This will be enough to give you that freshness, that citrusy taste, that nice smell. Like everybody waking up in that day and comes through your kitchen will be like, wow, what do we have today? So yes, 1 zest, orange zest. You can also substitute it for lemon zest. Just mix through. Don't worry if you have some lumps, but guys, just mix it through. If you don't have a whisk, you can use a fork. I find it works wonders. As you can see now, butter is very smooth. But guys, because we have mixed it for a while now, I'm going to let it rest for a while. We have to put it in the chiller, in the fridge for like 15 to 30 minutes. Then we're ready to use it. So there we go. Now let's get our mixture out and get to our stoves. Yes, let's go. Come on. Now we go make these delicious pancakes and we're ready to eat. You can make them before everybody is awake. When they come, they'll find nice, fluffy, light, zesty pancakes. So put your pan, non-stick pan. I like using non-stick pan on your stove. Let it heat through. Put some sunflower oil. Don't put a different kind of oil because it will change the flavor of because you use butter. You use sunflower oil in the butter, so use the same for cooking. Just spoon about 1 spoon. You can use a ladle also. I find like 1 spoon is enough. Let it cook. Guys, how do you know that it's cooked? You can see that there's bubbles forming on the pancake. This is your cue to flip it. You can also check the sides. On the side it starts to brown. There you go. Very nice. Now flip your pancake. Wow, nice. Just amazing, brilliant. This is really nice. I already feel like I want to dive right into this pancake and eat it all. So it doesn't really take long to cook on the other side because the pancake was already cooked through. So it's about 1 to 2 minutes and your pancake is ready to go. Let's see how that turned out. Wow, amazing. Wow, a nice golden brown color. This is how you want your pancakes to look like. You first eat with your eyes before you eat with your mouth. Guys, remember that. Don't put some burnt pancakes here for us to eat. So you repeat the process again. Just put some oil, spoon your mixture there. Just check to see the bubbles there, and you can know that the pancake is almost ready to flip. You can see on the side it's browning. Then flip your pancakes. Boom, there you go. Nice pancakes. Just give it 1 and a half minutes, not really 2 minutes. Just let it cook through. Then your pancake is ready to go. There you go. Just get it on your plate. Very nice golden brown color, very tasty. And if you guys could just smell the aroma in this kitchen right now, it's amazing. There you go, another one. So guys, repeat this until your batter is done. For this recipe I got around 6 beautiful pancakes. Very nice, very yummy, very delicious. So guys, if you like the recipe, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of these kinds of recipes, put it down on the comment section below. If you're new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed, please do. There is more of this content coming through. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy your breakfast. Stay safe. Bye bye, and God bless you.